Hello, in this video, we will show you the different physical video outputs on AREC Media Stations. On the latest models, there are several local video output options, including HDMI, DP, and network. Display 1 is the default mixed video with Graphical User Interface output. Here, you will see the mixed video, which is the current video composition to be streamed and/or recorded depending on your settings. This output will always contain the GUI unless disabled on the administrator page. Display 2 and Display Port are both loop-through outputs. These outputs can be connected to local displays, video walls, projectors, and others to show the local audience any unprocessed video input connected to the media station. On both these outputs, you can choose what you want to display. On the bottom right side of the GUI, there are two display icons. One says HDMI and the other one DP. By clicking on them, you can cycle through which source you want to display on that output. The icons displayed here match the icons on the video inputs page on Administrator. So to display the content connected to video channel 1, I choose the computer icon and so on. The number of available video channels depend on the model of your media station. I have a display connected to Display 2 output of my LS410. So as you can see, I am showing whichever video source connected to the media station I want to the local audience. I can also show a quad view or duplicate exactly the same program video or mixed video. This is the same for both outputs. Besides using the GUI, this loop-through function can also be controlled directly from the front panel of most stations with the numeric keypad that comes with the station or via RS-232 and TCP commands. Another thing you can do is loop directly any content connected to HDMI 2 input using the HDMI 2 loop. This port directly loops the unprocessed video and does not require any configuration. If you are using a wireless sharing device like Barco ClickShare or any other BYOD as an HDMI input, you can duplicate it to your local output directly. Finally, the mixed video produced by the media station can also be accessed locally via network by pulling the RTSP stream produced by the station or via NDI. This way, you can not only monitor the video output, but also use the mixed video as a webcam on video conferencing applications. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, ADENA channel, to learn other ways to use your media station and visit us at www.adena.com.